What up, manga goes? I'm back with another video. We're in the back double arc of Chainsaw Man. Again, pretty short. It's only 13 chapters, yes. Well, it's longer than the first arc, but wow, it's just not that many stories. It's not much of an arc. And also, a bit of content combined, just 2 episodes, I think. Right, go on. I'd like to mention something. That Guns, the Chainsaw Man anime coming out next month has got a trailer for the English dub. I'm not joking on this. It's on Crunchyroll, on Crunchyroll's YouTube channel. Go check it out. We hear the dub cast of the characters. It's worth announcing the English dub trailer the month before the series premiered. They even call it a hit, an anime hit. It's not even out yet, so we do not know if the anime is going to be good or not. No. Not all anime based on mangas are good. They suffer from pacing and stuff. So this is weird. So it's weird to announce the English dub before the anime is even premiered. But it might do the same as Spy Family, you know? That's what I'm just gonna say. You know, release it week by week. Release the dub the week after episode. Release episode 1 first, then 1 week later release episode 2, and release episode 1, the English dub. Get what I mean? Like they did with Spy Family, you know? Release the dub every week along with the series. Makes it behind. And also next one will be season 2 of Spy Family. I cannot wait for that. So I will actually review the marks. I start because it just pain in the ass, but I'm gonna reread the arcs, catch up. You know what I mean? I'm gonna catch up on these arcs. So anyway, the Batgirl not even in the arc for long. Even the arc's named after him, he's on it on. So I don't think there should be much of an arc. I think he's just been mixed in with a prologue arc. This is still a good manga though. It's gory. Let's hope we don't know the anime. When we see the I seen the trailer, because I didn't watch it before. You can see how gory it is when the chainsaws when it becomes Chainsaw Man. And continue where we left off. Denji's been assigned to take care of Power. The what with Power. And she doesn't have much action in this. It's weird. Well, not much action. Sorry. Too really don't like. Oh god. She doesn't really care about Power. Once she, about what she is and stuff. Once he gets to touch some boobs. He's definitely a weird guy. He's a interesting protagonist, a showing protagonist. Well, I might feel bad if I see the anime with its action, which is coming out sometime next month. I still don't know. I should look at the release date. Anyway, Deborah was appearing nearby, and Power goes off on her own and uses her abilities, smashes the demon. Easy beats the crap out. Just smashes the demon in one hit. By the way, the reason why they don't mention about her horse is because they have a Buying Club away. They use Basically, if anyone asks about it, they just say they're part of the special of the force, you know? That way you'll leave them alone. And you're about to know. Her ability uses blood. She formed a blood hammer. So they kind of get scolded by crap. I have forgotten. Oh, bollocks. The main fucking characters too. I forgot their names. Why am I forgetting main characters' names? God. I'm terrible at remembering names. I can remember other names from characters I started with, from stuff I watched before. Maybe because I watched the animes and stuff. I don't know, really. It's weird. I think I do good reviews on these Chainsaw Devil Manga, Chainsaw Man. So, anyway, Power Brain's Tenchi, but you again, argument of the blaming. But the head, the woman whose name I forgot, sorry, he doesn't care who's problem as long as they saw results. And she's definitely scary when she's pissed. You can tell Power sprayed her. Anyway, they have two in the back. Power does not like humans. Because of devil instincts and stuff. And she's a fiend. She gets along well with cats. She mentioned that she had a cat friend once. Meowie, she called it. It ran away, and before she could get it, she was caught and put on the squad. So, but she doesn't really care about the cats and stuff. But she quickly gets him to help out by saying if he defeats the devil that took her cat, she'll let him touch her boobs. And that means got him to agree. So the two head out, while the other person whose name I still forgot. I don't know why I'm forgetting their names. I can remember Denji and Power's names easily, but I can't remember the other characters' names. I have such terrible memory. I hate that. I don't like having terrible memory. It's annoying. Anyway. Then she tells them about Denji being a special case. And she tells the guy who beat the crap out of Denji last time, whose name I forgot as well. I really hate the game. You don't know how much of a pain it asks me to keep against stuff. It's just so annoying. I hate the game, but for some reason I do. And my shithead sister says it's because my brain doesn't want to remember it. Bullshit. That's just bullshit, man. It's not my brain's fault. I don't know why I can't remember. But she thinks it's my fault. Fucker. But she's a fucking idiot. For thinking that. I just don't like having terrible memory. So. How's this? Alright, Denji and Power arrive at location. can't remember what Digi says, but I think does the cat die? Oh, the cat. He mentions Pouchy. Oh, how he was a friend too. You remember I felt like to lose Pouchy once. So yeah, good to know the deal. And while Power accidentally lets us slip that the story was a fake. And well, she double crosses Denji and knocks him out. And just taking her into the back devil. You know, they made a deal. She brings him fresh human blood, humans, so he can feast upon. And he'll give back her cat. When he tried to eat Denji, he did not like the taste, and punishes Power by eating her cat. So, yeah, Denji has a battle against this guy, chainsaw up, and bounces devil. Just being it. With Power and her cat being alive. She was swallowed too, I forgot to mention that. I think I remember it's better if I watch when the anime comes out. So I might get better this review the anime version. So be sure to stay tuned when that comes out. Anyway. Also Denji mates and stuff. He saves 3 humans along the way. Oh, 2 actually. He didn't give a damn about the other one. In the car and just blew the car at him. And he managed to beat the devil. Then he's back to normal. He knows he can actually retract his chainsaws too. It's the most glorious ever. Oh, see, he has blood coming out of him all the time. That's gory. Anyway. But then they're attacked by Power says that Denji touch her boobs, but then Denji's head gets sliced off by another devil, who turns out to be the girlfriend of the bad devil. Denji can't exactly fight her without his chainsaw powers. He can't use them because he lost too much blood. But luckily, the other members, including the one that, you know him, easily beat that devil. He even has a devil himself. And he introduces some other characters. The rest of the group, probably not important though. Oh no, I cannot wait for the Chainsaw Man anime next month. Anyway. Denji wakes up in the hospital. He confronted Denji about what happened. About everything that's happened. Security cameras caught them walking out the building. Denji's blood sprang at the bell. Yeah. He also helped some people there. But the third guy was pissed anyway, for obvious and for good reason. So he kind of makes a deal with Denji. He won't report this to higher ups. If he starts to get more of a do what he told. Denji agrees. He had to work some else. And he's proven that he does not like devils. And we kind of get a reason why. And Power ends up living at their apartment with some convenient moments. Then she gets to touch her boobs, but she was wearing breast pads or whatever they're called. The things that make their boobs, women sometimes want to make their boobs look bigger. Breast pads, I think they're called. I can't remember. I'm just gonna pause this a sec so you don't hear the YouTube video I'm gonna play. Right. Alright. Didn't you just have like some forms of kind of punishment for what happened? He felt sad. He didn't like the rank of the cheapest girl touching boobs. But he just felt different. That's when the other person, who's really wish I could remember. I remember her name because they mentioned it when I was reading the arc. They did mention her name here. How can I forget main character names? I'm such bad at it. I mean, I remember your Lloyd and Anya Forger. Remember their damn names. But no. But I can't remember any other character names. That's bullshit. I don't know what to do about this, guys. It's just annoying. He actually has to touch her boobs then. And she has to touch her boobs. She makes a deal with Denji. If he takes out a devil named the Gun Devil, then she'll grant him one wish. Let me surprise him. Right, we get exposition about the Gun Devil's appearance back then. 13 years ago, it killed 1.2 million people, including the family of one character that we know. The guy with black hair. You know who I mean. I really, really, really hate the game. So, I gotta make sure to remember the names. Anyway. So, yeah. And that's the reason why he hates devils. So, Denji agrees to fight the Gun Devil. Anyway, it was managed to be tracked. And they head out. That's where the arc ends. Not gonna go into details because I couldn't remember the fucking characters' names. That's the worst bit among a manga reviewer has forgetting character names. I'm the worst, aren't I? I really, really wish I could remember properly. So anyway, I thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, which I highly doubt, please hit the thumbs up button. Want to see more videos? Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. You'll be up to date all videos that comes out in the future. And I'll see you, see you guys next time. Sayonara.